Excuse me, sir.
Yes, can I help?
I am lost.
Where to?
Big Ben, please.
Ah, I know it.
Is it far?
About 10 minutes.
Walking distance?
Yes, easy walk.
Which direction, please?
Go straight ahead,
Then what?
turn left at lights.
Left at traffic lights.
Yes, exactly right.
Then straight again.
Yes, keep going straight.
How will I know?
You will see it.
It is very big.
Huge, cannot miss it.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
Are you from here?
Yes, born here.
You know area well?
Yes, very well.
Any other tips?
Stay on Main Road.
Avoid small streets.
Yes, easier that way.
Is it safe here?
Yes, very safe area.
Good to know.
Very tourist-friendly area.
I feel better now.
No need to worry.
Where are you going?
Just to the shop.
Oh, sorry to stop you.
Not at all, really.
You are very kind.
Happy to help tourists.
Do you like tourists?
Yes, they love London.
London is amazing.
Yes, very special city.
First time here.
Really? Welcome then.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy every minute.
I definitely will.
Weather is nice today.
Yes, perfect day.
Lucky timing for you.
I planned it well.
Smart traveler.
I try to be.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, beautiful country.
Yes, I love it.
Cold in winter, though.
Ha, very cold, yes.
London is mild here.
Yes, nice temperature.
Sometimes rainy, though.
Not today, thankfully.
No, beautiful day today.
Perfect for sightseeing.
Yes, go enjoy it.
After Big Ben, where?
Westminster Abbey is nearby.
How near exactly?
Just 5 minutes walk.
Same direction?
Yes, keep going straight.
After Big Ben, straight.
Yes, you will see it.
Any other must-sees?
Buckingham Palace is close.
Also walking distance?
Yes, about 15 minutes.
Which direction from Abbey?
Turn right at the corner.
Right at the corner?
Yes, follow the signs.
Are there many signs?
Yes, London has many signs.
That is very helpful.
Tourist signs everywhere here.
Makes it easy.
Yes, designed for tourists.
Smart city planning.
Yes, we are proud.
You should be proud.
Thank you very much.
Is Hyde Park far?
About 20 minutes walk.
Which direction?
North, from Buckingham Palace.
North. Okay, got it.
Follow the green spaces.
Green spaces easy to find.
Yes, very visible from afar.
Is park entry free?
Yes, completely free.
Wonderful. I love free.
Everyone loves free.
Very true.
Pack a lunch, maybe?
Good idea, actually.
Many people picnic there.
Sounds very relaxing.
Yes, beautiful, peaceful place.
I will go tomorrow.
Morning is most beautiful.
Early morning?
Yes, fewer people then.
Smart advice. Thank you.
My pleasure entirely.
Is Tower of London close?
Different direction, east side.
Far from here?
About 30 minutes walk.
Or by tube?
Yes, much faster by tube.
Which line?
Circle Line, Tower Hill stop.
Circle Line. Got it.
Very easy to find.
Do you use tube?
Yes, every day.
Is it complicated?
No, very simple system.
Color-coded lines?
Yes, each line different color.
Easy to follow.
Yes, even for tourists.
I have Oyster card.
Perfect. You are ready.
Taxi driver told me.
Smart taxi driver.
Yes, very helpful man.
London people are friendly.
I am seeing that.
We love our city.
It shows really.
Makes us happy to hear.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, just around corner.
Lucky location.
Yes, I walk to work.
That is wonderful.
Saves time and money.
And good exercise.
Yes, exactly right.
I wish I could walk.
Where do you work?
Back in Canada, office job.
Ah, different situation.
Yes, too far to walk.
Slightly too far.
Just slightly, yes.
Maybe cycle one day.
Very long cycle.
Yes, maybe not.
Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome.
You helped me so much.
Just a few directions.
More than that, really.
Happy to help anytime.
London people are wonderful.
We try our best.
You succeeded today.
Thank you kindly.
I should let you go.
Yes, my shop awaits.
Of course, sorry again.
No sorry needed, really.
Have a great day.
You too enjoy London.
I absolutely will.
Take lots of photos.
Oh yes, many photos.
Good memories to keep.
Absolutely. Thank you again.
Safe travels, enjoy everything.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, have fun.
I will. Take care.
Take care. Bye now.